The impact of technology on daily life. Technology has become an essential part of our everyday lives. From smartphones to smart homes, it changes the way we communicate, work, and entertain ourselves. People can now connect instantly with others around the world, share information in seconds, and access knowledge anytime through the internet. In the workplace, technology improves productivity with tools like video conferencing, cloud storage, and automation. At home, devices such as voice assistants and smart appliances make daily tasks easier and more efficient. However, excessive use of technology can lead to issues like reduced physical activity and less face-to-face interaction. To make the most of technology, we should use it wisely, balancing screen time with real-life experiences. When used effectively, technology can enhance our quality of life and open the door to endless possibilities.